Today we are going to talk about portfolio variances. At the end of the lesson, we learn definition and importance of portfolio variances and how to measure covariances for a given investment and the relationship between covariance and coefficient. Covariance measure the directional relationship between the returns on two assets. In other words, it is essentially a measure of the variance between two variables. In investment, covariance of return measures how the rate of return on one asset varies in relation to the rate of return on other asset in a portfolio. Covariance evaluates how the mean values of two variables move together. For example, if stock A's return moves higher whenever stock B's return moves higher, and the same relationship is found when each stock return decreases, then the stocks are said to have a positive covariances. In finance, covariances are calculated to help diversify security holdings. Covariances may be positive or negative. A positive covariance indicates that variables tend to move in the same direction. On the other hand, a negative covariance reveals that variables tend to move in inverse direction. We're going to measure covariances using this formula. That is, the covariance equals to summation of variable x return minus mean return of variable x multiplied by return of y minus mean return of variable y divided by n, that is number of period, minus 1. In this example, we have portfolio of investment of two assets, asset X and asset Y, and return for the 5 period. From this information, we find the mean return for investment X is 2044.80 and for Y is 109.20. Then we calculate X minus X hat for the period 1 is minus 352.80. Similarly, we calculate Y minus Y hat for the period of 1 is minus 41.20. Following the similar step, we calculate X minus X hat and Y minus Y hat for the given 5 period. Then we multiply X minus X hat with Y minus Y hat for the period 1 gives us 14,535 and 36. Similarly, we calculate for the all 5 period. Then we found summation of X minus X hat multiplied by Y minus Y hat equals to 36,429.20. Now we divide 36,429.20 by 5 minus 1 gives us 9107.30. That a positive covariance in the portfolio among the asset X and Y means that all the securities tends to move in the same direction. If we measure coefficient for two assets, that is asset X and asset Y, that equals covariance of X and Y divided by the standard deviation of X and Y. In other words, covariance of X and Y equals to coefficient of X and Y multiplied by standard deviation of X and Y. Thank you.